The Dacia Duster has built a reputation for no-frills affordability while delivering on practicality and off-road readiness. Now entering its third generation, the 2024 Duster adds a dose of refinement and efficiency to this formula while upholding the brand's commitment to simplicity and value. I recently had the chance to check out the new model and came away impressed by how Dacia continues to stretch every penny. On the outside, the new Duster adopts some of the rugged styling cues first shown in the Bigster concept. The front fascia appears wider and more planted with the Y-shaped LED running lights, and the hood now features more pronounced creases. Along the sides, chunky plastic cladding and roof rails reinforce the go-anywhere persona. At the back, wide-set taillights share an aesthetic link with newer Dacias like the Jogger wagon. With an identical length to its predecessor at 171 inches, the 2024 Duster maintains a right-sized footprint for navigating urban areas while delivering generous interior space. The cargo area in particular grows by 6% to offer 472 liters, enhancing the SUV's reputation for practicality. As before, a fold-flat second row further expands capacity, but now low-floor storage adds a few extra liters while keeping valuables out of sight. The Duster's cabin sticks to a straightforward design, though closer inspection reveals meaningful upgrades. Hard plastics abound, keeping costs down, but textured trim on the dash and doors lend a more upscale appearance. The 7-inch digital instrument display offers crisp graphics, and Dacia's media display touchscreen now measures 10.1 inches, while incorporating wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Though it lacks navigation, smartphone mirroring mostly bridges that gap. Comfort enters the conversation with the new Duster as well. The seats offer thicker cushioning and more adjustability, while climate control and keyless entry finally join the standard features list. Further elevating the experience, an available sleep pack transforms the cabin into a micro-camper, with a fold-out bed, storage niches, and a removable table joining the gear. This versatile setup can be assembled or stowed in under 2 minutes. While diesel options disappear for 2024, the Duster's engine lineup balances efficiency and capability. The volume engine is a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder gasoline unit producing 130 horsepower. Mild hybrid tech smooths out the power delivery while enabling auto stop-start and small electric assists. With front or all-wheel drive and either a manual or automatic gearbox, there's a combo for every taste. Drivers favoring alternative fuels can opt for the bi-fuel Eco-G engine, which substitution compressed LPG for 87% of gasoline usage. That flexibility translates to a claimed range of over 800 miles between fill-ups. Hybrid fans also get their turn with an engine borrowed from the Jogger wagon. The 1.6-liter gas unit joins 2 electric motors, a 1.2 kilowatt-hour battery, and multi-mode automatic transmission for simplified city driving. Dacia says this electrified powertrain slashes consumption by 20% on average and up to 40% in urban settings. While eco-minded motorists have new options, the 2024 Duster's updates should delight adventure seekers as well. Generous approach and departure angles join 8.7 inches of ground clearance, placing the Dacia's off-road credentials close to a Jeep Wrangler's. The all-wheel drive model also gains a downhill speed regulation function. Driving modes now include snow and sand profiles alongside eco and off-road settings to optimize traction. With over 2.2 million Dusters finding homes since 2010, the model continues gaining popularity as Europe's best-selling SUV to retail customers. Last year alone, Dacia churned out nearly 1,000 units daily. The 2024 edition stands to boost that momentum by continuing the brand's unlikely formula of pragmatism and value. Dacia preserves the model's scrappy, go-anywhere attitude while moving the game forward through modernized engines and just enough additional content. In today's economy, that opportunity to balance priorities represents the ultimate value. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.